Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a haul that I did on the Sizzix website. They sent an email out on Black Friday that they were having a sale. So I went and stocked up on some things. And then funny enough, I want to say like a few days later, they sent another email saying that they were clearancing some things up to 80%. So I placed another order. That one hasn't come in yet. So as soon as it comes in, I'll show it to you. But right now I just wanted to show you what I received. So I've got a bag full over here, but I also pulled these out. I got some of the Bigs dies. I wanted to make some journals and stuff. So I got this one. It's by Eileen Hull, and it's called, what is this one called? It's called Book Passport, and I'll show it to you a little bit better. It's number 660331. So that's really cute. And then I got this one. This one is called, let's see, it's number 6632627. And the actual official name of that one is The Traveler's Notebook Pages and Pockets. You can hear my husband downstairs talking. It's cold here today, finally. And then I got this Eileen Hull one. This is number 663638. And this one is called Pocket Notebook. So there's those. And I got this really cute one. This is Tim Holtz Movers and Shapers. This cute little Cupid with the heart. And you guys, some of these were only like $2. It was such a good deal. Some of them were a little bit more, but overall it was a really good deal. I also got the Fold and Form tool. So I thought this would be really handy when doing flowers, because a lot of times I just use like the end of a paint stick, but I think it's easier to stick it in here and curl it because, you know. So I wanted to try that. I see people, there's like a gray one that they had like from a long time ago, and I could never find it. And then I saw that turquoise one. I was like, oh, perfect. And then I got this right here. This is Tim Holtz Sidekick Thinlits, and it's called Noel number 663112. So cute. I want to say these ones were like $2 and something cents. So it comes with the dies, but then it also comes with a little mini embossing folder. And same thing with this one too. This one's called Snow, and it's number 663098. Super cute. I love that little mitten. Adorable. Then I also got another Tim Holtz. I love these. I have one or two. I've got a couple of these in different styles. This is the Impresslets, and so what it does is it cuts and embosses, so that's really fun. This is 663293, and it's just called Leaf. Let me pull all these out. I was trying to see if it showed the prices of everything on here, but it doesn't, darn it. I was looking at my packing slip right now. Okay, so I got another Impresslets. This is by Kath Breen, and look how pretty this is. This is a sunflower. So pretty. And it's, oh, I'm sorry, it's not a sunflower. It's a gerbera or jabura daisy. Look like a sunflower to me, but it's really pretty. So it'll cut and emboss that. Then I got this little set. This is by Enely. Looks like Enely Tootle. And it's number 664455. And I just thought it would be cute to make little mini flowers. And it's just called Petite Petals. And let's see. Oh my gosh. I couldn't believe they had this on sale, because I feel like this just came out. Okay, so I got this Tim Holtz Halloween one, and the reason why I got it was for the ghosties, because these ghosts remind me of The Nightmare Before Christmas. So I got that, which was fun, and then I love that spider web. I just really love everything, that broom, that mini little candle. What's this one called? This is number 664209, and it's called Frightful Things. Whoops. And, oh, this is so cute. I saw somebody, I wish I could remember who it was, do this little mummy guy in like Pastel-Halloween, and it was adorable. So I thought this would be really useful because you've got like that spectacle, the glasses that you can use for multiple different purposes, and like that little mustache and bow tie. So this is another Tim Holtz Halloween. I think this was from this year. And what's this one? This one is number 664206, and it's called Hip Haunts. Then I got this one, which I thought was so cute. So it's a Tim Holtz, and it's number 663100. And what is this called? This one's called Fresh Baked number 1. So I wonder how many there are. If there's a number 1, I wonder if there's more. Oh, and I got some really cute embossing folders for Valentine's Day. So I got this one. Look how cute that is. And let's see what it says on the back. What is this one called? This one's just called Hearts, and it's number 663628. Hi, Cheech. And I got this one. This one was only $2. This is number 663201. And this one is called Confetti Hearts. And then I got these. These are so cute. This is Tim Holtz. I just couldn't pass up that deer with those glasses. How cute is that? And so this one, my husband has no idea I'm making a video, so he's talking to me. This one's called Cool Yule, and the number is 663099. Then I got this one for Easter coming up. This one is by Tim Holtz, and I just thought those bunnies were so cute, holding on to those carrots. So number 665213. What is this one called? It's just called Carrot Bunny. And I got this flower one. That was kind of like a unique flower. And this one is number 664450, and it is called Creative Florals. Then I had to get this because of the polar bears. So cute, and I like the little Christmas trees too. So this one is number 664445, and it's called Arctic Bear. And then I had to get this for the little squirrels and the acorn. So cute. This one is by Lisa Jones. It looks like it's number 664451. And it's called Festive Tales. And then finally, I got this from Eileen Hull. And it makes some really cute pockets. It is number 664883, and it's called Folio Page Pocket and Flowers. So yeah, that was what I picked up from Sizzix on Black Friday. Like I said, I have another video coming as soon as they send it to me, and that will be from the clearance, which I believe is still going on right now. So you might want to check that out. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know which one you like the best. And if you also shop the sale. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.